Welcome to Rekha's Rasoi. Today I am going to make a dish from my hometown, Kerala. And the dish is made of cabbage, which we call it in Malayalam, cabbage thoran. It's a very simple and easy dish to make, and it hardly takes 10 minutes. And it's best served with rice. So let's go. I'm going to make cabbage thoran, which is a Malayalam dish. So the ingredients that we require is cabbage, 250 grams, turmeric powder, salt according to your taste, then 2 to 3 tablespoon coconut, few curry leaves, 3 green chilies, a few shallots, and coconut oil for frying. You can take any other oil. If you don't have coconut oil, it's okay. So now first thing what you have to do is you take the cabbage and you put a little bit of turmeric, sprinkle it, a bit of salt, and you mix it. This is, if there is any germs in it, it will go. Turmeric is a, so just keep it aside for 10 minutes. After mixing it well, keep it aside for 10 minutes. In the meantime, what we do is we crush the chilies and the shallots. We just coarsely grind it, not to make it into a paste. So I'll just coarsely grind it and come. See, I've brought the coarsely grinded shallots and chili. Now we take the cabbage which we had kept for 10 minutes. Now what you do is you squeeze out the water from the cabbage if there is any, and keep it separate. This way all the germs will be removed from this cabbage. If you want to skip this step, you can skip this step, but I prefer doing it like this. Now we add the crushed chilies and shallots into the cabbage. Add a few curry leaves and just mix it. It's a very simple dish to be made. If you want to add more chilies, you can add chilies. My chilies are a bit spicy. So now you can add in the coconut. This coconut I have taken 3 tablespoons of coconut and just add in. Now if you want, you can taste whether there is salt and everything is to your liking. If the salt is less, you can add in. Let me check out. Yeah, for me it is fine. Now we go for the cooking part. Light the gas, put in our vessel. We need only 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is, let it become a little bit hot. Now we'll put a little bit of mustard seeds. Let it splutter. One red chili, a few curry leaves, then you put in the cabbage. Remember, we cook the cabbage in high flame. You have to cook it for 5 to 10 minutes in high flame. Okay, I think my cabbage is ready. It took me only 8 minutes to do it. So now we'll plate it. It doesn't take much time for this to become. Anybody can make it. So our cabbage is ready. Please do make it at home and do tell me how it turns out and do comment. Until next time, bye bye.